Today marks 4 years since the U.S. Supreme Court's Dobbs decision that overturned Roe v. Wade.
Since then, 20 states have fully or partially banned abortion. Maine Democrats blame U.S. Senator Susan Collins for the reversal because she voted to confirm justices who voted to overturn Roe. Phil Hirschkorn joins us live from the newsroom with more on this. Hi, Phil.
Hi, Brian and Amanda. Though Susan Collins supports abortion rights, the Maine Democratic Party also blames the senator for continuing to confirm federal judges who don't.
It's the most infamous vote of Senator Susan Collins' 30-year Senate career.
Mr. President, I will vote to confirm Judge Kavanaugh.
Brett Kavanaugh, along with Supreme Court Justices Neil Gorsuch, Samuel Alito, and John Roberts, all confirmed by Collins, were in the 6-3 Dobbs decision majority that revoked the national right to abortion in 2022. Devin Murphy Anderson is executive director of Maine's Democratic Party.
Her vote helped pave the way for Roe v. Wade to be overturned and for abortion bans to take effect across our country.
But on this 4th anniversary of Dobbs, Maine Democrats dug further into the Collins record. Since Kavanaugh, the party counts 50 other federal judges it labels opposed to abortion rights as confirmed by Collins, 18 of them in President Trump's second term.
For years, she has voted to confirm anti-choice judges nominated by President Trump over and over and over again.
Their list includes judges who previously defended anti-abortion laws or abortion bans in states like Tennessee, Missouri, Kentucky, Florida, Alabama, Texas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. 4 judges described by Maine Democrats as supporting abortion restrictions were confirmed just this month, with Collins voting for them. And there's one judge from Maine, Joshua Dunlap, now on the First Circuit Court of Appeals in Boston after his Senate confirmation last November.
He is an anti-choice judge that supported a bill called the Fetal Personhood Bill that basically would have paved the way for criminalizing women who sought reproductive care.
2 weeks ago, Collins told reporters she did not regret her Kavanaugh vote, though she disagreed with the Dobbs decision, and then said this about those more recent judicial confirmations flagged by Maine Democrats.
It is not appropriate to ask any judicial nominee how he or she is going to vote on a case. And I remember Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who was very pro-choice, famous words at her confirmation hearing in which she said she would not give even a hint on how she would vote on cases that came before her. We want the judiciary to be independent of political pressure. That is essential to maintaining the 3 branches of government.
Collins voted to confirm all 3 justices on the current Supreme Court who support abortion rights, and 188 federal judges nominated by President Biden, including the lawyer who argued against the Dobbs decision on behalf of the Center for Reproductive Rights. When Democratic Senate nominee Graham Plattner was endorsed by the nation's leading reproductive rights organization, Planned Parenthood, 2 days ago, he echoed the party's argument about Collins.
She has been voting for and confirming at the federal level anti-choice judges who have expressed their opposition to a woman's right to choose.
But Planned Parenthood, in a memo just last year, praised Collins for supporting funding for the organization and for sponsoring a bill in the Senate to codify Roe v. Wade into law. The Planned Parenthood memo said Mainers can count on the senator's long record of supporting family planning programs and standing against proposed cuts that would mean catastrophic loss of access to care. Live in the newsroom, Phil Hirschkorn for News Center, Maine.